Good morning, YouTube. It's cold this morning, but the sun's hitting now. It's warm up. I got a headache. 2017, 2018 Honda Fit. They couldn't get started. Hole here. Couldn't figure out what's wrong. Check fuse. Nothing wrong. Relay, nothing wrong. Check gas. Okay, the gas coming from this right here to the high pressure fuel pump. The gas here, right? Pop out from here. But I release the one from the injector. Nothing gas right there. I took out the center console to listen to the fuel pump. So the fuel pump is right under here. You can see right there. And the fuel pump making sippy sound, so that's why it pump gas. So I think that could be a fuel pump that don't have enough pressure, because I don't have a gauge to test it. Okay, assuming only. That's why it can't start it. It cannot push enough to the high pressure fuel pump, which is this right here. So that's why gas doesn't come into that way. I disconnect this wire right here. It's two wire. You can see black and brown. One from the ground, one for the positive. And I put a on and test to see if any power to it. There's no power to it. That's why it doesn't pour no gas. And I thought that, well, will be this high pressure pump that it's not good. So I apply 12 volt to it, and it's a clicking because two wire only. So it clicking, I mean that it's function. So there's no power to it. And I look all the relay, I don't see no relay for that. So what the hell is that? So going through all kind of headache. So first I bought the fuel pump, and I know the fuel pump is function, so I return the fuel pump. So I end up that, well, I'm going to buy this high pressure fuel pump, like $200-$300. So I tested it works. So I said, what the hell is that? So what's wrong with this car? Why it doesn't start? Okay, why it doesn't start? Let me put this on first. So I end up with no clue, no damn clue. What's wrong? Whatever. Okay. So I almost give up. You know, sometimes the man up there watching you doing your work too, you know. I don't know if you believe in that, but I have so many times that I just like, God dang it, I end up with the no conclusion to the problem, you know. All right, let me show you what the problem is. Let me close my hood first. This is very, very stupid. Sorry for my language, but okay. Let me crank it to prove to you that why it doesn't work. All right, let's see. You see? It doesn't matter how much I'm cranking. So now battery's dead. Let me put my jumper on first. Okay, jumper. This is a good jumper here. Yeah. Dang it, it's not open. All right. Sorry, I did not edit my video, so it will. I just make you dizzy right here, but bear with me. I will show you. This is a stupid car. We'll get it done. Okay. And before he sent it to me, okay, he also changed this right here. He thought that would be that, but it's not. If you have a cranking, strong cranking, don't change that. Okay, that's not the problem. All right, let's go start it. Cranking. You see, you can hear the sound, strong cranking, right? The only reason it doesn't start because you keep blinking, right? So that means security. Look at right here. Damn it. This girl using this to make the car shine. So I took that out and I started. Mola, look at that. The car running. Just because this garbage here, you bought it from Amazon or eBay, Temu, or from the under $5 or 99-cent store, and you put this damn thing on it and make your car running stupid and that's not cranking. So headache. This is very headache for something that car does not running, and you're going to have mechanic, you're going to have a tow truck tow your car to every, mechanic to fix it. Sometimes you, even though you reprogram your key, you think that, well, because of security right there, and you reprogram the key and it still doesn't work, all that stuff, because this little damn thing blocking your chip to read it, okay? Because inside here, and the key on the chip had to go through somewhere, somehow, right here, this wall. And then your key, right, have a sensor right here, and then you're blocking this piece right here, so it does not read your key. All right, so when you do that, it does not read your key, and you have a security light blinking like your key is malfunction. I put my scanner on it, it still doesn't function. Why? Because even though I reprogram the key, still doesn't function. Because this little thing here just blocking the sensor, it doesn't read through. Don't do it. You have $5, give it to me so I can go drink maybe a coffee or whatever. Don't make your car look stupid. This, to me, it does not look any better. I don't know why people put these things on it. For what? If your car is a 1999 or maybe even 99, they still have chip. If a 1990 or older, put these things on, it's okay. But any new car, don't block your chip. It won't read. Give me a headache. I was about giving up just because that little thing right there. And I want to shout out to all people who have Honda or people who have car that have a chip on it. Don't buy this little cheapy stuff right there to make maybe a shiny for you to see it, whatever, and blocking that. I don't know how before read it, maybe time to time read it. I'm not sure. They've been driving for a while before this doesn't start, So I think maybe when they first started, it's still used to, and it still catch up, and later it keep blocking. I'm not sure. Okay, so this is the story that making this blocking the chip, and I got headache. This car been here for 4 days, and I couldn't figure out what's wrong, and just because this little ring here blocking. Hopefully you will find something like this and help yourself fix your other car, and tell your wife, your kid, do not put anything to blocking that keyhole. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to help me subscribe. Okay, bye bye now.